All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. Today is Saturday. Today is the day we are going up to Traverse City and the Sleeping Bear Dunes, baby. We are just a little bit off schedule. We plan on waking up at 5 a.m., leaving around 6-ish. I mean, we kind of woke up at like 6 and it's 6:42. Right? That's the clock is off. It's 6:46 right now, so we're gonna hit the road right now. We're gonna get this trip started. Oh my God, zero energy. Red Bull needs to give me the wings now. Where is it? Oh baby, give me the wings. It's like we going big today. Oh man, that's the trip today, baby. Let's fucking get it. Press that go button, baby. Press it. Oh, we're moving. Holy shit, we're driving into fucking death. Holy shit! Here to check in, we are a solid 2 hours into the road trip so far, and we are making phenomenal time. We are already in the middle of the state, well halfway over our trip so far. North middle-ish of the state. Right now we're about to get off of this next like city or whatever because I gotta go to the bathroom. We're both hungry and we both need coffee. It's also 8:50 in the morning. Old 27. I think we have Amish people right here. This is sweet. Look at this.
Good morning and welcome to McDonald's. How much is your order?
Can I just get a number 2, please? Just a sandwich.
I'm staying here all night. Don't wanna get up, I don't wanna stop, I don't wanna close my eyes. I'd rather not give a fuck and end up with some scars. The night's just long enough for me to build it all and let it fall apart. My mother told me that the world just got its plans. I wanna hold them till they burn right through my hands. Don't ask me.
We got fucking rain, baby. It was an extreme just downpour for so long, but we're finally here. I mean, look at the fucking dunes. Still nowhere near the end.
Nope, just started actually. Probably about 1/8 of a mile in, and it's about like a 1.5 mile walk.
And we're entirely exhausted. Absolutely magnificent Michigan. Great way to keep it going. I literally ditched my shoes, or my boots. I left them at a tree up there. I'm just gonna pray to God they're there when I'm back. If not, I'm not fair shoes in the car. That's okay, that's an adventure, man. I mean, it looks like you're pulling up the last stretch, but I mean, don't fall, man. After that excursion, that just goes to show you that we are not in shape at all. We need to go to the gym.
Amen to that.
We need to go to the gym.